I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kucoin coupon. Open Kucoin, sign in, and go to your account wallet to view available coupons. I'll walk you through claiming, applying, and tracking coupon discounts step by step so you can save on trading fees and boosts. Follow along on desktop or mobile and pause when needed to try each step yourself. If something looks different, check Kucoin help or settings, and I'll note common differences. To claim coupons, visit the promotions page or accept offers in your account and complete any required tasks to unlock them. Keep an eye on eligibility rules, minimum trade sizes, and token holding requirements so you meet conditions. After claiming, verify the coupon details in your wallet and note the expiration date so you can plan trades that use the benefit before it expires or becomes invalid. When executing a trade, choose the coupon option during order confirmation and pick the coupon you want to apply before submitting the order. Verify the final fee and discount have been applied to ensure savings and avoid accidental use of lower value coupons. If a coupon doesn't apply, double-check asset pair restrictions, minimum amounts, and expiration to find and fix the issue quickly for future trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.